Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online classes. Now we are in the present 10th standard English class. In this class, we have to understand the grammar points. Which grammar points are very essential part in our final examination. So here the list out the grammar point. First, we should learn this. After that, one by one, we have to understand here. The first one, words and its kinds. The second one, phrases and idioms. The third one, agreement with the word. Next, suffix and prefix, question tags, frame questions, articles, direct and indirect speech, active and passive voice, figures of speech, and degrees of comparison, noun, adjective, adverb, verb formation. That means here noun words we have to convert into adjective, adjective words we have to convert into adverb, adverb words convert into verb. Or else in a reverse order. Here in this step we have to understand two major steps. One is a right order, one more is a reverse order. That are two steps we have to learn from the noun, adjective, adverb, verb formation. The next one, punctuation marks. The next one word substitutions. The final 2 points are there, that is letter rating and essay rating. These are the main grammar points we have to understand for the purpose of our final exam. In the very first step, we have to understand here words and its kinds. Here, what is the meaning of the word or words? What are words? Here, systematic of alphabetical letters, arrangement of systematic alphabetical letters, which gives us complete sense. Those letter groups are considered as words. Once again, I repeat that the definition of the word here: arrangement of systematic alphabetical letters which gives us perfect sense. Those letter groups are considered as words. Here, how many words are there in English grammar? We have to learn three kinds of words in English grammar. Which are the three kinds of words? The very first one, synonyms, that means equal meaning words. The second one, synonyms, homonyms, and opposite words are antonyms. There are three kinds of words in English grammar. The very first one, in that we have to learn what is the meaning of synonyms. Synonyms, the another name of synonym is equal meaning words. A word has equal meaning to the opposite to the another word, it is considered as synonym word. The second one, antonyms, it is having one more name, that is opposite words. Opposite means antonyms. Antonyms definition here: a word has a meaning or given the opposite meaning to the another, it is considered as antonyms. The final one is the homonyms. Homonyms we have to divide into three groups. Which are the three groups are there? Three words are there for the understand of homonyms. First one is homophone, homograph, homonym. Here there are mainly three homonyms are there. First one is homonyms. These are all meaning confused words. Homonyms means what? Confused words. Homonyms, homograph, homophone. We have to understand with the definition here what is the meaning of homonyms. One or two more words spelled and pronunciation alike. Here spelling and pronunciation both are same. Both are same. But meanings are different. Just you have to understand here. Spelling and pronunciation are alike. Alike means same, but meaning is different. Those words are considered as homonyms. Is it clear? The next one, second point is there, homophone. For here, pronounced alike. Pronunciation is same, but here different meaning or spelling. Different in the spelling or meaning. These words are considered as homophone. Homophone. Just you have to understand here what are the homophones. Homophones having the same pronunciation, but spellings and meanings are different. It is very different from the homonyms. Homonyms means words are same in which matter same, spellings and pronunciation are same, but meanings are different. Here pronunciation is same, but spelling and meanings are different. And what is the next homophone we have to complete it? The next or last one is there, that is homograph. Homograph means what? Spelling alike. Spelling same, but here what different there? Spellings are same, but here what is the difference there? Pronunciation and meaning. Totally confused in these three. What are the confusion here? Homonyms words means what? Words are having same pronunciation and same spelling, but different in meaning. What are the meanings of homograph? Homograph means words spellings are same. Words spellings are same, but they are very different in pronunciation and meaning. So these words are considered as homograph. The last and final here. Homophone. Homophone means what? Words pronunciation are same, but spelling or meaning are different. These are considered as homophone. Dear students, in this class we have to understand the main definition of word and its kinds, and what are the other definitions here. What is the meaning of word? Arrangement of systematic alphabetical letters which gives us perfect sense. Those are considered as words. In English it has three kinds of words. First one is antonyms, synonyms, homonyms. Antonyms means what? Opposite meaning words. Synonyms meaning what? Equal meaning words. And homophones or homonyms. Homonyms has three kinds, that is homonyms, homographs and homophone. So in this class we have to understand words and its kinds and its definition. Just you have to refer the regular students notes, and you have to write in your grammar fair notes. In the next period we have to discussion about phrases and idioms. Thank you.